Hi Hadu, today we are going to draw a girl with a ponytail. Let's draw the face first. Here we can start the drawing. We'll put a mask on. This is the face, and we see nice here, a little design on her here, we can see. Then on top of it we draw a curved line like this. Let's do little details here, and we extend the lines like this. For the drawing of the ponytail, we need to extend a big curved line and draw it like the S shape of the alphabet ladder, English alphabet, and we can connect the ponytail here like this. This is the neckline. The collar is visible like this for the dress, and the shoulder here. We can draw the mask like this line. All right, this is the little part which is tied with the mask. We can draw the eye here. Let's make the eyebrow darker, and we can draw the eyes. All right, okay, so the decorations or the designs of the hair will be detailed like this. Okay, let's draw a few lines from here for the mask. All right, we can put some textures of the mask here like this if you like. Let's make the connection lines little darker like this. Okay, this is the bottom of the piece, and we can see the shades on the neck. All right, this is the collar. As you see, let's put few dots here for the dress. We make little details on this band here from which the ponytail starts. The alignment of the hair will be like this. All goes straight from this bundle and doing the curve. All right, here in the end we can see the last part of the hair. All right, As you know, we can connect the drawing lines like this to show the continuous and uniform here. The lines from top of the heads will be radially distributed from the center. So we see the all here are coming from the center, and with that alignment we'll do the shades on the opposite side as we're doing here now. So the alignments will be the same. Let's draw few lines in the middle. Let's draw the collar little darker like this. And the end part of the drawing. Let's put this part little darker. The drawing is almost complete. Just a few details. As you see here, it's all about lights and shadow. All right, so this is the drawing. I hope you like it. Please do the practice and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. Have a good day.